Hi everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another easy design to do for a holiday painting. Again, I'm painting on my black cup or mug, and I'm using Amagic Flat Brushes, and I will list the supplies down below the video and also within the video. Dipping one side of the brush into the white, one side into the sage, and I'm just going to do some blending strokes. I'm going to back my plate up here a little bit. And then I'm just going to go ahead and do just some quick little movement here with my brush. I'm pushing it down and then I'm coming back. I'm not turning my brush. I'm just keeping it going up and coming back. And it's just with light pressure, coming up and back. You can make your petals little, long, thin, fat, however you want to make them. And then just pushing down, coming to the tip, coming back. Very, very easy. One thing nice about painting on glass is that you can move your item around very simply. And I don't really care how many petals you have, however many fit, however many you want. I just kind of do it and create as I go. And one thing to keep in mind too when you're painting on glass, feel like you made a mistake or you don't really like how it turned out, all you have to do is wash it off and start again. I'm just going to go back down this side to fill it in a little bit more. And I might go ahead, I could leave it just like this, or come back in here and put in another petal and bring it down. Like that. So then you have a very big flower. Now to finish off the center, I'm going to do is take the end of my brush. I'm just going to put some dots in the center. And they're not completely round dots. I don't really, not too concerned about that. And then I'm going to wipe the tip off a little bit because then I'm going to go into my yellow. Some might have some red on it, not a big deal. And if you don't like that it's kind of mixed in there, not a problem. Just clean off your brush better, or the tip of the brush better. And then if you want to add some more greenery, you can take another flat brush, and I'm dipping it into my Thicket, which is my favorite of the greens in this brand of paint. So I'm almost running out of it here. And then just do some branches that come down. And it's kind of hard to see on the black. And honestly, I probably would like to have a little bit of a crisper brush. I kind of like it like that. It's just kind of just a whimsical little branch that comes down. And you can do it, you know, coming up in other directions, coming up over your flower. Because, you know, in nature, things aren't perfect. They're kind of random. Sorry for the leaning on the table and then I come back up and it wiggles. I apologize for that. And just do it however much you want to around your cup or whatever it is you're painting on. And keep in mind, my designs can be painted on anything. Doesn't have to be glass. Don't like to use glass. That's what I'm used to painting on mostly. I'll do maybe just a little bit up here, up the top. Sorry if I folded off there a little bit. Put more white in there. Nope, that didn't work. A little more darker green. So like I said, you can just keep working with those. Add more colors as you go. Until you get them the way you want them. And then what you can also do on these is dip your brush back in and add some dots at the end here. Just kind of randomly. And there you have it. Again, pretty simple design, very quick to paint. And there you have it. If you have any questions or comments, please place those down below the video. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Share this video with your family and friends. I'd appreciate it. And until the next time, make sure you subscribe to my channel also. I forgot to mention that. I will be doing a little light sound bath in the background for you and infuse it with Reiki. So there's Reiki energy coming from this video. And until the next time, stay safe and healthy, and you have a good one.